You see what's in there?
Water.
It looks like water. It's vinegar. It smells a little different. You want to smell it?
No.
It doesn't smell bad. It just doesn't smell like water. You want to try?
No.
No? Some food coloring in our vinegar so we can see it, okay? What color is this one?
Green.
Green. One drop.
Drop.
One drop. Shake it. Ooh, that's a bright green, huh? Okay. Haha. You want me to do all the colors first? Okay. Stick them that way. All right. This one has the same stuff in it. But what color is this?
Blue.
Blue? What color? Not quite red.
Pink.
It's kind of a pinky purple, isn't it? Let me put one drop.
Drop.
One drop.
Dig in.
Shake it.
Dig in.
It's apparently a very old purple.
Dig
It's
in.
not terribly pretty, but it's easy to see.
Let's dig
I was
in.
expecting it to be much brighter than that.
Dig in.
We're gonna do it again, and then we've got a bunch more stuff to do as well. All right, everybody, what color?
Blue.
Blue. One drop.
One drop. Dig in.
Shake it.
Blue.
Blue. And our last one, what color?
Orange.
Orange. It's kind of an orangey, pinky red, right? It's kind of in between all three. Ooh, might help if I took the lid off of the dusting pouch. Do it again.
One drop.
One drop. That's all we need. Shake it.
Red.
Red. Very old. Yep, now we get to make the volcano. So what was in these again? Was it water or something else? Something else. It smelled funny, right? It's called vinegar. Now this is baking soda. You might see this at home, maybe in your fridge to help make things smell better. This is what Miss Laine makes snow out of. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
We take 1 scoop of baking soda. In this case, it's half a teaspoon because we have very tiny little vials. Should we do green first?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna add the baking soda. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Do you see the volcano?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Whoa!
It's going down.
It is. You want to try it again? See if you can get it to go again?
Yeah.
Hang on. Trying to make sure it doesn't drip all over everything. We can usually get 2 decent.
Did that one.
That one's a little bit slower, but
I'm gonna do one.
you want to do red next? We can do red next. So that's the green volcano. And look how much it made. Look how much. You see what's in the container? The red one?
No, that one.
Well, we're going to do red first and then blue? Okay. All right. So we have our red vinegar, like red lava. Sit down, please. Hang on, let me turn it so you guys can see. We have our red vinegar, like our red lava in the volcano we watched. Yeah, let me move the tray. Okay. And here's our baking soda. We ready?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Whoa!